in this video we are going to discuss about superheat and why it is important in the DX systems. To calculate the superheat, these are the tools we require. One PT chart called pressure temperature chart. Okay, so you can convert the pressure to the temperature, then manifold gauge to measure the pressure of suction line, then one multimeter with temperature option to measure the temperature of the line. And to calculate the superheat, your unit should be on. Before going to do practically, we need to understand what is superheat. As you know, superheat is the temperature of refrigerant vapor above its saturation temperature at a given pressure. And why it is important? Because superheat is important. It ensures only vapor refrigerant enter to the compressor, preventing liquid float back and compressor damage. Okay, then it is also important how to calculate superheating. So to calculate the superheat, you have to know the actual suction line temperature by this multimeter and saturation temperature to calculate from pressure to temperature by the PT chart which I shown you. As you know, higher superheat, if the superheating is very high, then low refrigerant charge. If the superheating is low, then it indicates overcharged or may be possible of float. So you are going to check the superheating of this unit. To check the superheat, first you have to check the suction line pressure. Okay, your manifold gauge is connected with suction line. How much pressure it is showing? 43 psi. Okay, so 43 psi is your pressure. Then what you have to do, by the PT chart, I have a digital PT chart. Okay, so I calculated here 43 psi is equal to 20 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so 20 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature corresponding to the suction pressure. Second thing, what you have to do, you have to check the suction line temperature. Okay, so here our temperature gauge is connected. Okay, by the multimeter, it's showing how much degree Fahrenheit? 100. It's 100 degree Fahrenheit. 100 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so 100 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature of suction line. Then 20 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature by the PT chart. Then superheating is equal to 100 degree Fahrenheit minus 20 degree Fahrenheit. It is 80 degree Fahrenheit, which is very high. Okay, the superheating should be between 10 plus minus 5 degree Fahrenheit, but in your case the superheating is very high of this unit.